Okay, so summers are here, and let's be real. What's the first word that comes to mind? Sweat. Yep, it's that time again when our skin gets oily, our hair frizzes up, and we low-key feel like roasted potatoes. But girl, not this year. This summer, you're going to be that girl. The one who walks in glowing like she drinks moonlight and minds her business. We're talking snatched waist, glowing skin, bouncy hair, and energy that screams she's been working on herself. This isn't your average glow-up guide. You're about to get the ultimate physical summer transformation that's actually doable and not just some Instagram hype. So grab your iced coffee, stay till the end. I've got a game-changing secret waiting there, and let's get glowing unrecognizably. All right, girl. Now for the big skin hack, the ice facial. Grab an ice cube and just glide it across your face every morning. It tightens those pores, reduces puffiness, and gives you that clean girl vibe without needing any filters. Or just dip your face in some ice cold water for a few seconds. I know in the winter we're like, too cold. But in the summer, it's the perfect wake-up call for your face. Seriously, your skin will look fresh and glowing. And speaking of routines, let's keep it simple. You don't need a 10-step skincare routine to glow, okay? You need CTM, cleanser, toner, and moisturizer. That's it. 3 products. The key is to find a cleanser that's gentle, a toner that balances, and a lightweight moisturizer that suits your skin type. If you're using a thick moisturizer that feels like you're smearing butter on your face, it's time to switch it up. Go for a gel-based moisturizer. It'll feel fresh, lightweight, and you won't sweat through your makeup by 9 a.m. You'll be glowing, not melting. Okay, let's talk about hair. Summer humidity is like nature's way of saying, let's see how much frizz we can create today. Well, we can fix that. Start with a weekly scalp scrub. Mix coffee grounds and aloe vera gel. Scrub it in. It gets rid of all that oil and sweat buildup that can make your hair look flat and lifeless. Your hair will actually have volume. Not to mention, it'll smell like coffee. I mean, who doesn't want to smell like they just walked out of a cafe, right? At night, loose braid your hair so it doesn't rub against the pillow and get damaged. Think about it. If your hair's loose, it's basically doing the cha-cha with your pillow all night. That friction, not cute. If you think leaving your hair down in summer heat is a good idea, honey, you're asking for a frizz party. Want to sweat through your hair all night? That's on you, but I'm not judging. Okay, girlies, let's talk about body care. Because glowing skin isn't just about your face, babe. This part is seriously underrated, and I don't know who needs to hear this, but your body deserves to feel just as soft, clean, and spoiled as your 10-step face routine, which, by the way, you don't need, but we'll get to that. So here's your summer shower glow-up routine that actually makes sense and doesn't waste your time. Start with dry brushing. Yes, it looks like you're brushing a horse, but trust me, it works. Then hop in the shower and start with a gentle soap bar. You don't need to go buy anything crazy. Just make sure it cleans well and doesn't dry your skin out. I love something basic and nourishing like Dove or Cetaphil. Use whatever works for you. And girl, once you've rinsed that off, go in with your shower gel. Now listen, we're not using loofahs anymore, please. I know it's in your shower right now. It's cute and colorful and hanging there like it belongs, but loofahs trap bacteria like crazy. I'm serious. It traps water, stays damp, and just chills there, collecting germs like it's its job. Instead, use a clean, soft washcloth or exfoliating towel that you can toss in the laundry. Hygiene first, babe. By the way, I've tagged some product links in case you're looking for similar stuff. They seemed like good options, so thought I'd share. Now let's talk about exfoliation. This step is weekly, not daily. Twice a week, max, girls. Grab your favorite store-bought body scrub or go on full kitchen chemist mode, mix sugar and oil, or even better, coffee grounds with a little coconut oil. Smells so good. Don't eat it. Apply it all over your body with gentle circular motions, okay? We're trying to glow up, not erase our entire existence. If you're scrubbing so hard that it looks like you're trying to remove a tattoo, you're doing too much. Soft, smooth circles, just like how you smoothly dodge awkward conversations. Focus especially on those neglected zones. Elbows, knees, ankles, the spots that have been living in 2012. It's their time to shine now. Oh, okay. Once you've rinsed off that scrub and stepped out of the shower, do not waste that dewy moment. Your skin is like a sponge when it's damp. This is prime time to lock in moisture. So grab your favorite body lotion or body oil, whichever makes your skin feel like a glazed donut, and slather it on while your skin's still damp. Damp skin means better hydration, which eventually will give you baby soft skin. And now for smelling amazing all day, spray your body mist on top of that lotion. Yeah, on top. You're basically sandwiching the scent and making it last 10x longer. That way, when someone hugs you, they're like, oh my God, what perfume is that? And you're like, oh, it's just me. If you want your fragrance to really pop, try using complementary scents. Like if your body wash and lotion have a sweet strawberry vibe, try to pick a mist or perfume that's also fruity or has similar notes. Don't go mixing strawberries and strong musk, or you'll smell like a confused smoothie. Bruh. Also, girl, deodorant talk real quick. Please let your underarms fully dry before applying it. I know we're in a rush sometimes, but applying deodorant to damp skin is just not it. It won't work properly, and you'll end up wondering why you smell like gym class by noon. So yeah, towel off first, then go in with a solid or spray deodorant, whatever works for you. Keep it dry, keep it fresh. Also, if you're looking for products to try or grab anything new, I'm tagging all my faves in this video, so go check them out if you need a little shopping inspo. All right, babe, listen, if your skin is acting crazy, like breaking out for no reason, looking dull, or just not giving that summer glow, it's not always your skincare. Sometimes it's your stomach throwing a whole attitude from the inside. Yup, your gut is petty like that. So here's the truth no one tells you. You could be layering the fanciest serums and using every trending face tool on TikTok. But if your gut is in chaos, your skin's going to reflect that drama. You can't glow on the outside when there's a party of inflammation happening inside, okay? So first thing in the morning, warm lemon water. But if your throat is being sensitive and crying at the thought of citrus, skip the lemon and just go for plain warm water. Your tummy just needs a gentle wake-up call, not a wrestling match. Eat stuff that doesn't start with hot and end with Cheetos for a week. Yes, I'm looking at you. Try to add probiotics into your day, like plain Greek yogurt or probiotic drinks from the store. Basically, feed your gut the good bacteria so it stops acting like a diva. And girl, cut back on the salty junk. I know salty chips hit different during a breakup binge or a late night scroll session, but your gut hates it. That salt party leads to bloating, puffiness, and breakouts that pop up faster than your ex watching your IG stories. Glow-ups start from the inside, and this is your inside job, babe. So take care of yourself from both inside and out. Okay, so let's be real. Posture is that one secret glow-up move no one talks about, but it makes the biggest difference. You could be wearing the cutest outfits, skin glowing, hair done, but if you're slouching like a tired shrimp, no offense to shrimp, but the whole vibe's off. Straighten your back right now. I'm watching you. Sit up straight, babe. Shoulders back, chin up. Not in a I'm better than you way, but in a yep, I know who I am kind of way. It changes your whole vibe. And don't wait till you're 40 to start stretching. Literally 10 minutes a day makes you feel longer, lighter, and way more put together. I'm working on it too. So let's keep each other accountable, okay? And now if you're watching this and thinking, oh, school's coming and it's already 300 degrees outside, girl, same. That's why I already made 2 school glow up videos for you, like actually designed for surviving school and still looking like that girl. So don't miss them. They're linked right after this one. Trust me, you'll need them.